Question number 19. In a right angled triangle ABC, the altitude AB is 5, the base is 12, P and Q are the 2 points. Okay, let's first draw the triangle. It is a right angled triangle. Say A, B, and C. It is 90 degree. The altitude AB is 5 and the base BC is 12. P and Q are the 2 points on BC such that, okay, let's draw P and Q. P and Q are the 2 points on BC such that the areas of triangle ABP, triangle ABQ, and triangle ABC are in AP. Okay. If the area of triangle ABC is equals to 1.5 times of area of triangle ABP, it is given the length of PQ. So this length is asked. Okay. So from here, area of triangle ABC is equals to half into base into height. It will be 30. So the area of triangle ABP will be 30 by 1.5. It will be 20. So that area of triangle ABP is 20. So from here, area of triangle is equals to half into BP into 5 is equals to 20. So from here BP will be 8. So this length is 8. Okay. Let's move further. This value ABC is 30, ABP is 20, and these are in AP. So of course area of triangle ABQ is going to be 25, the middle value of these two, that is 25. So area of triangle ABQ is equals to half into BQ into 5. So 25 is equals to half into BQ into 5. BQ will be equals to 10. So BQ is 10 and BP is 8. So BQ minus BP will be equal to PQ. So 10 minus 8, it will be 2. So our answer is 2. It was quite easy question based on the concept of AP and a little bit concept of geometry. Let's move to the next question.